Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of a join server on the application of Microsoft Teams. We click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you search about the application of Microsoft Teams and we click here. In this page of app info, you will go here to first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.